You know, it is very difficult to score a whole one for a beginner.
Okay.
Okay, so, but pure luck is still associated in the sport from the pure and golf. Assuming for the sake of argument, a golfer scores a whole one in all pathway. Anong opinion?
In all, ano?
All
All in one.
pathway.
All in one.
All in one, ito pathway.
All in one prize.
Oo. Meron tayong, sa usual, meron tayong sponsor. Sino sponsor
All in one
ng
prize
All in
daw.
One? Meron ba tayo?
Merong side prices or
Side prices.
yeah, hindi part ng major prices. But definitely, makakatanggap yung mga longest drive.
Yeah. Pero ang All in One,
longest drive, all in one pa ang maliliit mo.
meron tayo. Meron yan. Usually,
Panos.
Usually na walang maka-all in one game.
So, all swerte. Swerte.
maraming major kasi prizes. Maraming major prizes like giving a business class trip, no? In any part in Asia. So that could be a hole-in-one prize. Ang iba naman, nagbibigay sila. Depende kung sino na nakausap natin. Ang iba, nagbibigay ng golf cart. Iba naman kotse, no? But a hole-in-one, let me just correct you on that one. In fact, ang marami na nanalo dyan, mga beginners eh. Even mga pro ng mga US pro eh. Diba, ilang years na sila. Ako, 40 years na akong beginner, hindi pa na ako nananalo. Yeah, nakaka-hole-in-one, hindi pa rin. Kaya, if the God of golf is kind and good to you, makaka-hole-in-one ka.
Commissioner, last question, you know, there are two, yes, wala na, isa lang. There are two golf practicing kanduban. Saan lalaroin?
North
As North.
That's the championship course. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Okay na?
No more questions? Meron pang additional announcement, Fritz, on behalf of the other commissioners, Wawi, Wong, may mga representatives from their offices here.
Yeah,
ano?
ito.
Yes, okay. Lito, Cisco po.
Para doon sa mga media na sasali, the coaster of PSA will be available on Friday. Pero ang departure time will be 4:30 to 4:45. But we had to cut off at 15 yung number of participants simply because there were a lot of people who wanted to sign up. So 15 yung nakalist dun sa participating sports media people. So available yung coaster, pwede silang sumabay. Pero a-addition between 4:30 and 4:45 because ang tee off time I think is 7:10 yata. Okay?
Salamat po. Okay.
Yes, Commissioner, message mo for just today, ano, and for this special project of the Philippine Sports Commission.
I guess, ang akin lang is for those that will be playing, enjoy the game. For those that are not naman, let's enjoy watching. Hopefully, lalabas ito sa inyo, no? Either mga bits and of the event, no? So, again, and also, I'd like to thank all the ones that are participating, those that have sponsored and helped out for our mga atleta, sa ating mga bidang atleta, no? And again, salamat sa inyo lahat ng Judith, you gave us a chance to let you know what the event is all about. So let's all have a good morning.
More power po, PSC Invitational Golf Cup Tournament. Mamuhay ang atleta ang Pilipino. Babalik po kami for the third and final part of the day. PSA for more.